Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 3 different companies. The companies are Rivature India, Mphasis and Thinkit. So this recruitment updates which I have brought up is for 2019 candidates, 2020, 21 and also 2022 pass out candidates. Okay. So if you are from any of these batches, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, I would suggest you to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And please follow us on our Instagram page also. Okay. So the first recruitment update we are going to see is from Rivature India. Previously also I have done many videos on Rivature India recruitments. Many people have actually shared their success stories also through the comments. So if you are also interested in working with Rivature India, you can definitely apply here. Now let us have a look on the recruitment update in more detail. So the recruitment is for entry level software engineers. Okay. So this is an entry level job. Now, whom all are eligible to apply? Graduate from computer science, IT or circuital branches. Circuital branches means all the EC candidates, EEE, EI, all the branches of electronics related backgrounds are called circuital backgrounds. Okay. So if you are from that background also you are eligible to apply. They have specifically asked here for BTech, ME, Tech, MCA candidates and also MSc. Means if you are a person who is having MSc electronics or MSc instrumentation. So all those candidates are also eligible to apply here. So I'm making it more clear to you. So all the MSc electronics candidates, MSc IT candidates are eligible to apply because they have called for computer science, IT and circuitous. So if you are having computer science, that is MSc in computer science or MSc IT, all the candidates are eligible to apply. The only thing is that you should be a person of the year of pass out 2021 and 2022. Okay. So 2021 and 2022 are the years of pass outs which they are calling for. Now the percentage requirement is minimum 60% you need to have in your PG, UG also for your 10th and 12th. Also you should be having good communication skills. Now let us have a look on the salary and the pay level. Okay. So the CTC that they are offering is 4 to 6 lakh CTC per annum is the salary that they are offering. Initially, there will be an internship or a training period. During that, you will be getting only 5,000 rupees per month. But after that, after completing the internship or the training process, you will be getting salary package up to 6 lakh per annum as a CTC. Okay. Now, what is the selection process? There will be online assessment. For the online assessment, there is logical questions, reasoning related questions, algorithmic, technical and coding questions will be there. Okay. And then there will be one-to-one, that is one-on-one technical screening will be there. Then there is HR discussion. This is going to be the selection process. In order to apply, what you have to do is you have to fill up this application form. So in the same page itself, they have actually given the application form also. So just read out the notification if you are eligible. In the same page, you can fill up the application form. Okay. So this is the application process. So this is the first recruitment which is from Rivature India. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Mphasis. So here they are calling for trainee associate software engineering. So this is a trainee associate post. Okay. Now 0 to 1 years of experience they are saying, and also the location of job is Pune. Currently you can get work from home in these companies, but later on you will have to relocate to this given specific location. Here they are actually looking for people from 2020 and 2021 batch of pass out. All the BTech streams and all the MCA graduates are eligible. Okay. So they have clearly given here any stream with basic coding knowledge. So if you are a person from any stream of BTech, you are open to apply, but you need to have little bit of coding knowledge. That is the only requirement. Okay. So year of pass out is 2020 and 2021. Other than that, they have actually given. So it's not just for Pune location. You can see here the location of work is Bangalore is there, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Noida. So not just for Pune, for all these locations they're actually hiring. So this is actually a bulk recruitment. Okay. Now let us have a look on the other prerequisites. You need to be a person from India, means a citizen of India, minimum 60% of mark or 6.3 CGPA. Candidates should not have any backlog for participating. There is while participating in the hiring process. You shouldn't have any backlog, also good communication skills, and that is the only requirement here. Okay, so if you're interested, you can definitely apply here. What you have to do is just click on this apply icon and then fill up the application form. First you have to create an account with Mphasis, and then you have to fill up the application form. Okay, next we are going to see the recruitment update from Thinkitive. Okay, so they are recruiting for trainee software engineer, and the eligibility criteria is BB Tech, ME, MTech in computer science, IT or MCA with the years of pass out 2019, 20 and 2021. Okay, so only these years of pass out candidates are eligible here. So if you're a person of 2019 batch or 20 batch or 21 batch, you can definitely apply here. Other candidates cannot apply. Okay. Also, they have given the skill requirements is strong communication and interpersonal skills, OOPS and data structure knowledge. Also, you should be having SQL related knowledge, HTML, CSS related knowledge, and also basic networking knowledge. Okay, so these are the requirements. Also, they have given the interview process. So you should be actually going through 5 rounds of selection process here. First round will be an online assessment. There will be MCQ plus coding questions. Second round will be L1 technical interview. Third round will be L2 technical interview. Fourth round will be managerial and logical round. Fifth round is HR round. Okay. So if you are interested, you can definitely apply here. You will get a very good package here. Okay. So just click on this apply now icon. First, you have to create an account with Thinkitive and then fill up the application form. That is application process. Okay. So that's all for today's video. We have seen the recruitment updates from 3 different companies. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and also keep supporting the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.